Backpack, bag carried on your back. Alarm clock, clock that wakes you up. Groceries, food and other items from a store. Invoice, bill for goods or services. Laundry, clothes that need washing. Broom, tool for sweeping floors. Receipt, paper showing payment. Soap, cleaning substance. Calendar, chart showing days and months. Wallet, small case for money or cards. Pillow, soft cushion for your head. Curtains, cloth for covering windows. Keys, metal objects for locks. Notebook, book for writing notes. Earphones, small speakers for ears. Mug, large cup for hot drinks. Charger, device for charging batteries. Umbrella, tool for protection from rain. Shoelaces, strings for tying shoes. Mirror, glass that shows your reflection. Eraser, removes pencil marks. Ruler, tool for measuring length. Exam, test of knowledge. Homework, schoolwork done at home. Library, place with books to read or borrow. Pen, writing tool with ink. Desk, table for study or work. Marker, thick pen with colored ink. Blackboard, board for writing in class. Paragraph, group of sentences about one idea. Uniform, special clothing for school or work. Subject, field of study. Essay, short piece of writing. Grade, score in school. Questionnaire, set of written questions. Syllabus, list of topics in a course. Tutor, private teacher. Project, planned piece of work. Laboratory, room for experiments. Certificate, official paper showing achievement. Meeting, gathering to discuss something. Colleague, person you work with. Deadline, last date to finish work. Resume, document with skills and experience. Promotion, getting a higher portion. Client, customer for professional services. Overtime, working extra hours. Conference, formal meeting or event. Presentation, showing information to an audience. Entrepreneur, person who starts a business. Invoice, bill for goods or services. Networking, meeting people for professional purposes. Profit, money earned after costs. Loss, money lost in business. Strategy, plan to achieve goals. Brand, company's name and image. Contract, legal agreement. Salary, fixed money paid to an employee. Negotiation, discussion to reach an agreement. Task, specific piece of work. Passport, official travel document. Ticket, pass to travel. Luggage, bags and suitcases. Map, drawing showing places. Journey, travel from one place to another. Flight, trip in an airplane. Destination, place you are going to. Bus stop, place to wait for bus. Train station, place where trains arrive. Boarding pass, card to enter a plane. Taxi, paid car for travel. Ferry, boat for people or vehicles. Tour guide, person who shows tourists around. Souvenir, item kept to remember a place. Hotel, place to stay when traveling. Resort, holiday place with facilities. Ticket counter, place to buy tickets. Platform, area to wait for train. Itinerary, travel plan. Visa, permission to enter a country. Breeze, light wind. Hurricane, strong windstorm. Drought, long time without rain. Flood, too much water on land. Thunder, loud sound after lightning. Lightning, flash of light in the sky. Rainbow, colored arc after rain. Fog, thick mist. Earthquake, shaking of the ground. Volcano, mountain that releases lava. Meticulous, very careful with details. Innovative, using new ideas. Diligent, hardworking. Versatile, able to do many things well. Resilient, able to recover quickly. Ambitious, wanting to achieve a lot. Confident, show off yourself. Generous, willing to give. Persistent, continuing despite problems. Optimistic, expecting good things to happen. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more such learning videos.